went to get more food. But you're not going to believe this. Here it comes.